Campground, guys. Campground here. Official campground. We are here around my home run, around the lake. Mostly, no, 50% is in the forest, and the rest is paved road, or this gravel road mixed. Very, very nice public way around the lake. About 26 kilometers around one way. Going to extend it for about 30 kilometers uphill, a little bit included. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll show you more about my home run route just here. See you later, bye. Fresh water, guys, everywhere on the street. Just let me get it. Cheers. So delicious. Late 1960. Okay, see you around. Hi. That's it. More or less. My home run. My home run is done. I hope you'll come here one time just to see how beautiful it is in Switzerland to bike. Explicitly choose July because of the weather. It's beautiful and warm. So hope you like the video of my home run. Like and subscribe my channel. See you around. Bye.